Washy washy Norwegian Joy, we got a fantastic cruise weather forecast coming your way, fit for a deck party as you set sail going out of New York City, so get ready. Your cruise forecast is coming up next. I tell you guys, Mother Nature has been on our side with all of these cruise forecasts out of New York City. And this Sunday, August 14th, is going to be no different for you guys. Well, with that said, click subscribe. I know this is a once and done thing for you, but the next time you go on a cruise out of New York City, I want to be that weather guy for you. Well, in the meantime, let's look at your sail away forecast out of Manhattan. It is going to be picture perfect, everybody. Fit for a deck party. When you arrive into Manhattan in the morning hours, plenty of sunshine, temperatures climbing through the 70s, only getting up to 83 degrees. Compare that to 2 weeks ago. Oh, they were baking with a 103 degree heat index. Not this Sunday. It is going to be absolutely pleasant. Have your cameras ready, and by all means, make sure you apply a lot of sunscreen. This is the type of weather where you can get burned very easily, and I don't want to see that happen on the first day of your cruise as you sail away from Manhattan. So definitely protect your skin. You got quite the itinerary coming up. Now, as you go underneath the Verrazano, round out Staten Island, and head southward, you are going to come into increasing clouds as you head towards Norfolk Monday morning. And speaking of Norfolk, here's your port of call forecast. Temperatures getting up into the low 80s here as well. However, we do have the chance for increasing clouds and, yes, showers. Let's go to the radar here. I know this is dated as of Friday, but this shows you the pattern that's setting up. We have to look at the bigger picture here. You can see the cold front sliding off the East Coast. High pressure is in play. That's why we're seeing such beautiful conditions across Pennsylvania, New Jersey. But we are watching some energy here west of the Great Lakes in the northern plains that will be diving down with time as we get into this Monday time frame here. And depending upon where this goes, and it's looking like the mid-Atlantic, yes, we do have that chance for maybe some showers and thunderstorms on Monday evening. But you are going to be leaving Monday evening and heading south and beating it, hopefully, at this point in time. But it's looking like you might see a few showers. But improving conditions. Your sea day as you round out North Carolina and make a beeline towards Port Canaveral, Cape Canaveral, it is looking pretty nice at this point in time with high pressure in charge and that cold front just to your east. So that's some good news right there. And once you arrive in Port Canaveral, your port call forecast here, temperatures in the 70s climbing well up into the 90s here as we get into the afternoon hours. This is a classic Florida day, Florida sunshine, and yes, possible Florida downpours and maybe a thunderstorm. So there's a 50-50 chance of that in the afternoon, but that's what you can come to expect this time of year. Summer is their rainy season. And as we head into the next day here, there's no sea day for you here. You're going directly to Great Stirrup Cay. I love this itinerary. This is fantastic. Great Stirrup Cay here. You are going to see perhaps the chance of some clouds and showers with temperatures getting up into the mid to upper 80s. Definitely a tropical climate this time of year. But the good news is there's no major storm systems on the horizon at this point in time. The National Hurricane Center does issue a 5-day outlook, and 5 days from now, this Friday, we don't have anything. So if anything does form, it's gotta take time to strengthen. So once we get this far out, as you get to the Bahamas here, we can only start to discuss things. And what I decided to do was do a screen grab of one model. This is the GFS for Friday, which will be your sea day on your way to Bermuda. And it's looking pretty interesting at this point in time. And again, this is just discussion here because we have to look at the bigger picture. We have an area of low pressure well to our north and west, high pressure to our east. That sandwich creates a line of showers that could be right over Bermuda or slightly to the north or to the south, maybe to the north and east. So we'll just have to wait and see. At this point in time, it's Bermuda. It is the summertime, so you can expect the basics here. Plenty of sunshine with the chance of showers and downpours, which typically is what you would see this time of year. But again, as far as hurricanes go, we have been very, very spoiled so far this year. I need some wood to knock on here, but I don't have anything. So hopefully there's nothing on the horizon as we get into the latter half of next week for you guys. So with that said, I hope you have a safe journey, have some fun, and like I always say in every forecast I do, 75% of your cruise is about the food, the entertainment, the staff, all of the fun you are going to have, and the friends you are going to make on board that ship. The other 25% is about the destination. So think about that. You're on a floating city, and it's going to be fantastic. So have a safe time and a great time, everybody.